pass or fail. So a couple things going on here. Don't have a bird screen. The other thing is here, both of these are not caulked. And then that's a dryer vent. And this was actually a gas dryer. And there's the intake for the appliance that was in the basement. I see these pictures and go, where have we gone wrong? Then you get to number 2, which is like, all right, we made some corrections. We have the screen, because if you're not putting screens on these, they're a nuisance. Because you know what's more of a nuisance? When the kids are in the yard and start chucking rocks and toys down those, or the animals get in there, or somebody stuffs a plastic bottle down inside them. The stuff that's going on, you all can probably tell me more than I know at this point. But I know enough's going on that if you're not having a screen over there, when I walk onto the job for an inspection, yeah, no. And I put enough of them in to know that if you do them right, that screen doesn't cause problems if everything's set up the way it's supposed to be. Is it too close to the grade? Minimum of 12 inches plus whatever the 10-year snow level is for the region you're in. A little bit difficult region to region through the Commonwealth to establish the 10-year snow average snowfall level. But you can find that information. You got to dig a little bit. Most people go, hey, I'm going to install the exhaust in the intake somewhere between 36 and 42 inches above grade. It typically covers the 10-year snowfall level across the state. You don't want to be going too high because now you have a lot of condensate in those pipes exposed to really cold weather, like 15, 10, 5 degrees with a wind blowing. That could freeze in that pipe a little bit, especially if the house is well insulated and the appliance doesn't come on a lot. This picture was actually prior to the requirements for listed PVC, because that's actually Schedule 80 PVC, but not listed. So you have to have listed venting material. We're pointing the exhaust away. You're going to make sure that the exhaust, we are in an inside corner. Again, the prevailing wind coming into that corner, swirling around, can take that exhaust. And if that intake is sucking in, you could have some problems. You could have like short cycling, you could have contamination of the exhaust through the products of combustion that are being returned. Lots of things can happen. I didn't like either one of these, pass or fail. Both of them failed. 2 is better than 1, but both of them really fail. What?